Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Friday the 24th of February. And today was a little bit of a choppy day, and then we started to get a trend a little later on up to 12, and then basically went sideways from there. But anyway, the markets did gap up. Came down, closed them real well, really quick, and then chopped around a little bit, and you know it did what it did. It was choppy Friday. We had 1 point today. I had 4 ticks, maximum profit potential. We had 1 point or 4 ticks, and one successful trade, which it's kind of obvious we had a successful trade because we had a point. But anyway, we basically watched the markets, gap up, come down, come up, and then when it was chopping right over here, this is when we grabbed a long and rode it up, taking some profit, and then getting stopped out on the remainder. And it did come back down here, and eventually it did buy up. So, we had one trade. When it came back down, it kind of looked like it was it had the opportunity to come lower, and then when it did come up, instead of rounding over at this point, it just shot up. So it was definitely an interesting day. Um, we wanted to play it a little more conservatively, which obviously is the way I played it. Could have probably taken a couple more trades, but I was happy with one trade, 1 point. But anyway, if you guys would check out the website at www.businesswithtrading.com, I encourage you to. It's a lot of daily videos on there, a lot of articles. If you want to stop by and check it out, definitely would appreciate it. Also, on the upper right hand side, I have a contact form if you have any questions or whatnot. And on the right, I do have a tab called Start Here. It's just a lot of information if you're a new trader, or a lot of good stuff. So definitely check that out. I appreciate it if you did. Also, I would like to go over the news for the coming week. It's going to be interesting. Monday we have pending home sales month over month. It's going to be a big number. Looking for 1.1, and the prior reading was negative 3.5%. So pending home sales very big for Monday. On Tuesday we have a lot of news. Big number core durable goods orders, and 10 o'clock CB consumer confidence. So those are going to be big for Tuesday. I'm not really going to call out a lot of the news. I'm just going to call out the most important that I'm looking at. 8:30 preliminary GDP quarter over quarter. Wednesday is going to be a huge day. Huge day. 5 o'clock, the Eltro from Europe. Basically, it's like the TARP in the U.S. They're going to see how much they're going to loan the European markets. Basically, what they do, they have unlimited loans available for 1% interest rate, and a lot of people are looking at that. They're trying to make their ideas up. Are they gonna the banks borrow too much money? It means something bad. If they don't borrow enough, it means there's not enough liquidity in the system. It's going to be interesting to see what it is. I think a lot of people are making way too big of a deal out of it, but I mean that's with everything. That's what trading's all about. But anyway, it's going to be interesting. And then of course 8:30 preliminary GDP. It's going to be big. 2.8% we're looking for, same as the prior reading. It's going to be big. Bernanke's going to speak that day at 10 o'clock. That's going to be pretty huge. So that's definitely going to be interesting there. We have the PMI at 9:45 that day. The beige book comes out. It's going to be a big day. Let's see. Thursday we have unemployment claims at 8:30. That's going to be pretty big. Bernanke's speaking at 10 o'clock, and ISM manufacturing PMI is out at 10 o'clock. So that's going to be big. And basically nothing for Friday. So Wednesday and Thursday are going to be huge this week. We're going to have to, watch that. I know I keep talking about it, but that's what I'm looking for. We should have, pretty good days those days. So that's definitely looking for that. But anyway, that was the news. This is what happened today. Encourage you to check out the website www.abusinesswithtrading.com. Keep those emails coming. I definitely enjoy reading email from everybody. Members, viewers, whatever category you fall in. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Appreciate that in a big way. Have an awesome weekend, and I will talk to you on Monday morning. Thanks.